Alright, today we're going to be putting in a water sensor sending unit for the electronic gauge in the dash. This is on a 2017 Yamaha 250 show, and that is the part number. And this is what you get in the kit: a short extension, a long extension, replacement washer, and the actual sensor. I'll show you where it's at once I take the cowling off. So this is on my 2018 Fast Cat Cougar. It does not have a water pressure gauge. That's how it was ordered. And it's got the system link by BD gauges. So let me pop these covers right here and I'll show you where it's at. First of all, I am not a mechanic. I am not a Yamaha mechanic. I'm not any kind of a mechanic. I just like saving money and doing it myself. This guy right here, this is where you're going to get your water pressure. There's a hose coming out of it. If you had a manual gauge up there, you would just connect the hose all the way to the gauge and you would have your water pressure. This particular boat has a system link, or next link, that's not hooked up. So I'm going to install an electronic sensor that's going to plug in WW. It's got a gray fitting in it, just a block, so it's not being utilized. This will plug into the sensor once we install it. This other sensor right here is for speed, if you want a digital speed. It's also got the black or the gray block in it. Alright, that is a 14 millimeter. I've already loosened it. I'm not going to show you me taking it out. Once you remove that screw, you'll screw in one of the extensions. And I'm just doing a test fit to see which one of the extensions I'm going to need, so there's not a lot of stress on the cable. Alright, so that's with the short extension and the connector plugged in. You're going to take that off. Open this. This is going to be a part 2 series, guys. I'm sorry. Take that guy. And you're going to have to... Alright, unplug the gray piece. And then we're going to plug in to here. That's what it should look like. Alright, now there'll be a part 2. We're going to put a little bit of grease on the short piece. We're going to put some liquid Teflon on that. Do not